Hello everyone. On this video, I show you to bring back customer device in WhatsApp latest updates. WhatsApp has made changes that made the status horizontal from vertical style after update. Let me teach you how to change to vertical. First of all, subscribe to our channel. What you need to do is remove or unfollow the channel on WhatsApp. By doing this, it will help to keep the status vertical. You will touch the channel you follow, then click on the three dots on the top right of you. Touch the word unfollow by doing that you have already played on the vertical like this. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.